In this video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on the 3DS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use the default 3DS camera to scan any QR code. So for this method, you don't need any homebrew, you don't need any modifications, and as long as you have a standard QR code, you will be able to read it using only your 3DS. This will also work for 2DS or any other 3DS model like the new Nintendo 3DS, 3DS XL, and so on. So to start, open your camera. You can find the camera icon or press L plus R from the home screen. Either of these options will open up the 3DS camera, and once you go inside, if you look at the screen at the bottom, you will find the QR code icon at the bottom left. So if you tap this icon that looks like a checkerboard pattern, you will be able to scan QR codes. So now you will see this message, searching for QR code. Align the code so that it lies within the frame. So if you look at the screen at the top of the 3DS, you will see the frame where you have to align the QR code. All that you have to do now is put it in place, make sure that you are in a, clean area, it is clear to see, and as long as the camera can view the QR code, it is going to be detected. So if the QR code has a link, it is going to appear on the screen at the bottom. If it has an image, if it has something that can be read by the 3DS, you will be able to use it. If you are using alternative QR codes, maybe because you want to do it in conjunction with Homebrew or certain modifications, then most likely this will not work. Sadly, for this video, I'm not going to cover anything regarding modded 3DS, but you can easily do the same thing as long as you download appropriate applications. This method is going to be useful if you have a default 3DS and you would like to scan a QR code using the standard camera application. I hope I was able to help you on how to scan QR code on 3DS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.